15th-19th. In this video, we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for Bitcoin from 15 till 19 June. So let's begin. We are currently on a 1 week chart. Here we can see that the past support has now turned into an resistance. Let me draw that. From here we can see that this trend line or this support trend line on a weekly time frame has been respected by the market some around here also. Now we can see that the market is currently testing this area and we can potentially see a reversal downwards. Moreover, going on in 1 day chart, here we can see an symmetrical triangle pattern on a bigger time frame. Moreover, on a weekly time frame, we can see a symmetrical pattern being formed some around here. Let me draw that in a zone. Some around here. And this would be the upper resistance, some around here. And some around. Here we have seen that the market is trading in a range and the market has been respected by this resistance. The market is respecting this resistance zone some around here also. We have seen a pullback here also and here also. Thus this is a critical area on a higher time frame which ensures that this trade will be insignificant and will give a less risk and greater reward. Thus, if we see a daily candle closing above this resistance area, thus a long position can be created for the Bitcoin. However, if we see a break through this trend line or this support trend line which I have drawn, this will indicate that we can experience a range of 6,000 again once more for the Bitcoin. Now going on 1 day time frame, here we can draw a support trend line for the Bitcoin, which I will draw in the later in the video, which I will tell where we should go long or short. Okay, moreover we can see an head and shoulder pattern being formed for the Bitcoin some around here. Okay, here we have seen this can be the shoulder for the Bitcoin. Here we have seen that the market is making an top, or this can also be the potential head, and this can be an area of consolidation or the area of another shoulder. Thus, according to this analysis, or according to the head and shoulder theory, we have seen a bullish move from around here till here. Then again we have seen a bullish move some around here. Then again we have seen a bullish move some around from here till here. And again we have seen a bullish move. Thus, if this theory is in or respected by the market, which indicates that the market could return to its lower lows, which is an area of 6,000 till 5,000. Thus we can see a potential downwards move. Moreover, we can draw the major resistance and the major support for the Bitcoin where our take profit and stop loss would be placed. I will draw that and later in the video. So in the summary, we can identify our take profits and stop loss more clearly. Moreover, we have seen a regular bearish divergence as the market is making an higher high from here till here, whereas the indicator is making an lower low from here till here, due to which we have seen a bearish move some around here and here also. Thus this theory for hidden for regular bearish divergence suggests that we can experience a bullish or we can experience a bearish momentum entering in the market, and which we have experienced. Moreover, we can see that the market is currently testing the 50 MA or 50 moving average. Moreover, going on in a smaller time frame on in 1 hourly chart, on in 4 hourly chart, some around here, we can see a channel being formed for the Bitcoin. Let me draw that. Some around here. This is the lower support of the channel, and this would be the upper support for the channel. This is an ascending channel being formed. Thus we will take that an end zone. We have seen that the market for the Bitcoin has recently tested its lows. According to the channel theory, we can see an upper move for the Bitcoin as shown. Thus we are bullish for the Bitcoin for the week ahead, and we can experience a bullish move after, as we have recently tested the market bottom, and here also we have seen that the market has currently tested the bottom, then tested the top. Here also we have seen that the market has currently tested the bottom and tested the top. Here also we have seen that the market has currently tested the bottom. Thus we can experience a bullish move upwards for the Bitcoin. And moreover, going on in 15 minutes chart, we can see an bearish pennant being formed. Let me draw that. This pennant is usually formed due to the significant or a strong sell off in the market. Here we have drawn the bearish pennant. A breakout upwards would trigger and long position, however a breakout downwards would trigger and so sale position within take profit of this range and within a stop loss just placed above here as shown. If we see a breakthrough downwards, thus a stop loss would be placed somewhere around here, our take profit would be here. If we again see the touch towards the support of the channel, we can go for a long position. Now going on in 4 hourly chart. Now coming on in summary, what a trader should do for the Bitcoin for the week ahead for 15 till 19 May. For 15 till 19 June is that we have seen many technical patterns. Considering the bullish perspective, we have seen a test towards the lower channel as shown. In the perspective of being bullish, we have only seen one pattern, which is this channel, and we can see that the market is currently testing the support. The other technical perspective, other technical pattern which we have seen is that this support trend line which I have drawn, we have seen that the market has currently tested this support trend line. Thus there's a bullish movement can be expected. Now going on in bearish momentum for the Bitcoin, we have seen a regular bearish divergence which suggests that we can experience a bearish movement in the market. We can see on a weekly chart that the previous support has now turned into the resistance, and the market is currently testing the resistance on a weekly chart. Moreover, we have seen a head and shoulders pattern which suggests that the market is now forming a second shoulder, and we can potentially see a move downwards. Moreover, we have seen a bearish pennant which I have drawn some around here. Now what a trader should do is that we are bullish for the Bitcoin. We are bullish for the Bitcoin until and unless if we see a breakout upwards through the bullish pennant, or we can potentially see that we have a breakout downwards this bullish pennant. Thus, a sale position can be created for a short term period when a stop loss just placed over here with our take profit just placed within a range. This trade will give a risk reward 1 ratio 1.6. Thus, a long position can be created for the Bitcoin on the test towards the support with our first take profit some around here. Stop loss would be some around here, some just placed below this support of the channel of the ascending channel. Our first take profit would be some around 9,800, then our second take profit would be some around 10,000, and our third take profit would be some around 10,800. Our first take profit will give an extra reward of 1 ratio 3, our second take profit will give an extra reward of 1 ratio 5, and our third take profit will give an extra reward of 1 ratio 3. Thus, we are bullish on the Bitcoin. Currently, or in a short term period, we can experience a bearish movement in the Bitcoin. However, for a longer time period, after testing the support, we are bullish for the Bitcoin. If you haven't viewed my videos for on the analysis and the weekly prediction for gold and crude oil, the link would be in the end screen icard or in the description. Do check that out, and if you do like my analysis, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.